for expanding access to these services and will be sharing the Department of Health's commitment to making them available to the communities that need them. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Dr. Hardy Dumawe, Program Manager for National Family Planning of the Department of Health.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for inviting us here. I actually didn't expect to be speaking in front of all of you, so I didn't prepare anything. So this is just whatever comes out of my mouth is just what I can think of. So actually, DOH is always here to support initiatives such as this. And why do we? The question here now is, you've probably heard of this, that the total fertility rate of the Philippines is already below replacement. No? So we are already at 1.7 total fertility rate. But why do we keep investing in family planning? Because family planning is no longer a means to control the population. However, it is a means, a health intervention aimed in reducing maternal mortality, adolescent birth rate. No? So that's the ultimate goal of family planning. That's why we always keep investing in here. That's why projects such as this from DKT is always exciting. No? Kasi one problem in the Philippines is our topography. No? Ang hirap pong abutin ng mga isla-isla natin. Lalo na kung may mga dala-dala kayong mabibigat na bagahe. No? And it's even harder to cross seas. That's why this project is very exciting, and the DOH highly supports this one. So thank you so much for this initiative, and the DOH will always support this one as well. No? Kasi our data shows that our highest unmet need for family planning belongs to the GIDA, our geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas. So this is one initiative to bridge that gap and bring our services to the last mile. So ayun po. From the DOH, thank you so much for inviting us, and we support this project. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Dumawe.